everyone, it's Vicki from Minerva. So today we have a fabric haul to share with you. So I have scoured the shelves in the Minerva warehouse and I have picked out some of my favourite super bright, super fun, full of colour and joy fabrics, and I'm really excited to share these with you today. I think if you were making something in any of these fabrics and wearing something in any of these fabrics, it's just going to put a smile on your face because they're just so full of colour, full of fun. They're just an absolute joy. So I have a selection of 10 different fabrics to share with you. A few different base cloths, but the theme throughout all of them is bright colours and fun prints. So let's get stuck in. So the first one I've got is one of our Minerva Exclusive viscose chalet fabrics, and this print is just absolutely beautiful. It's called Festival Fronds. Let's hold that out there. There we go. Isn't that absolutely gorgeous? So it's this orange background with beautiful bright big flowers on there, all different colours. How could that not put a smile on your face if you were sewing or wearing this fabric? So this is our viscose chalet, beautiful quality. It's the most beautiful viscose chalet we have ever felt, and yeah, you could make so many things with this fabric. It's because of the weight of the fabric, certainly in this colour printed, it wouldn't need lining. It doesn't, it's not see-through at all. So that makes it really versatile. So any sort of woven pattern that requires a fabric that's soft and unstructured and drapey like this one would be ideal. So think tops, blouses, skirts, dresses, jumpsuits, even summery trousers and shorts. So many things you could make with this. You can even make like a luxury robe or sleepwear, which would just be a dream to wear throughout the summer. And yeah, we are firm believers that, you know, if you dress in beautiful prints and bright colours, it can really elevate your mood for the day and set you up for the day, really. So that's fabric pick number one. Now the next fabric pick, now this is a dead stock fabric, so we only have a limited amount of this one, and this is an ITY knit fabric. Let's hold that up the right way. So this is a polyester and elastane blend, and an ITY knit is really soft and drapey, really slinky. So if this is your first time sewing with knits, we wouldn't recommend sewing with this fabric because it can be a little bit tricky to sew with it being so soft and drapey, but the results in the garment that you'll get are just wonderful in an ITY. So you can see the print on this one is these big beautiful palm trees in all different bright shades. It's absolutely gorgeous. Again, how could you not feel full of joy when wearing a print like this? So I think this would be beautiful for like a wrap dress, anything that, you know, requires a knit fabric with drape. So again, dresses, tops, so many beautiful things you could make with this. And yeah, I just think it will be absolutely beautiful. Perfect to wear in the summer or any time of year when you need a spark of joy from colours in your wardrobe. So the next fabric we have, now this is a crepe fabric, and this is just wow. Look at that. All different stripes of fabric, stripes of colour rather, in all different widths, and it's just a rainbow of colour. I think that's absolutely amazing. Now, obviously with a stripe fabric like this, you would want to certainly consider the placement of the fabric on your garment. So, you know, you say for example, if you're making a dress, you might want to do the bodice with the stripes going one way and the skirt with the stripes going another. If you're making a blouse or something, you might want to consider pattern matching down the seams. But because these are all quite wide stripes, it's not going to be too difficult as, you know, some fabrics might be on the pattern matching front. And I think, yeah, it's all about the colour in this fabric. It's just a rainbow of happiness, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. It's a polyester crepe fabric, so it has lots of drape, lots of fluidity and movement. It's not a see-through fabric. Yeah, I wouldn't think you would need to line that at all. Maybe if you were doing something super fitted, you might want to, but yeah, I wouldn't be lining that fabric. And I just think that's perfect for tops, skirts, dresses, wide palazzo trousers would be beautiful, or a jumpsuit. Any sort of pattern again that's going to make use of that soft drape. Anything with frills or ruffles or gathers will be absolutely beautiful. So next up we have, this is a chamois silky satin fabric. So if I hold this out, there we go. Absolutely, such a pretty fabric, this one. Absolutely gorgeous. The colours in there are just beautiful, and there's so many different colours in there. So this is a digitally printed fabric. And so again, with this fabric, it does have softness and drape, but somehow it has a little bit more structure than what you might generally find with a silky satin fabric. So I think any pattern that perhaps says something that has a puff sleeve, or any gathers or ruffles, those details are really going to sit a little bit more proud with this fabric, with it just having a little bit more structure. I also think this would be amazing for a lining in something. So if you were making a coat or a jacket and you had this as the lining, it would just be, oh, it would be such a wow statement lining that it's going to elevate any jacket or coat that you make if you chose to use this. So yeah, absolutely gorgeous. What would also be nice with this fabric as well is literally just making a simple little scarf. You know, if you just got a rectangle of the fabric, did a rolled hem around the edges, you'd have a really simple, stylish scarf that you could wear that would just brighten up any outfit. So the next print we've got, this is another Minerva Viscose exclusive chalet print, and this one is called Exploring Portugal. So let's get that the right way up. And my mum's made a dress in this that she made for holidays, and it was beautiful. She did a tiered dress, and she really carefully considered the placement of this this Streets of Portugal print that we've got here, and it just looked gorgeous. Again, it's that same soft, drapey, woven viscose fabric, so it would be perfect for tops, dresses, skirts, summery trousers, summery shorts, a jumpsuit. So many things you could make with it, and the print on this is just amazing. The artist we worked with to create this design was just so talented, and yeah, we were really excited to find them and make this print come to reality on fabric. I think it's literally a work of art on fabric, is that one. Absolutely beautiful. So the next couple that we have are both Polycotton fabrics. So these are at the more budget end of the price scale, and they're really fun fabrics. So as you can see, this one is a rainbow stripe. I mean, look at that colour, just absolutely gorgeous. And unlike the last stripy fabric I showed you, this one, the width of every stripe is the same. Now we do actually do the same fabric in a narrower width stripe and a wider width stripe, so I think that could be quite interesting to maybe combine the three fabrics in one garment, and you know, really play with that stripe sort of design feature. You could come up with a really interesting, cool design doing that, I think. Now this fabric is a polycotton, so that's a blend of polyester and cotton fibres, and as you can see, it is super structured, especially in this one because there's a lot of print in that colour on the fabric, so it is a very structured fabric. So you know, you would want to keep that in mind with what patterns you were making, and bear in mind that after the first wash these fabrics do soften down a bit on the printed polycottons. But there's still going to be a structured fabric. So I think something like a cute shirt in this would be nice, or a shirt dress. It's also lovely for children's clothes, you know, when you maybe don't want to spend at the higher price point on fabrics because, you know, they're going to be growing out of them. And yeah, you know, just fun play clothes that you don't need to be too precious about. And I mean, what better print for children's clothes than this? I think they would be absolutely gorgeous. Like a little shirt or a little dress, a skirt. Oh, so many things you could make. It's also great for craft projects as well. So if you wanted to make like pouches or bags or cushions, even fun things for the home like table decorations, just absolutely endless what you can make with polycotton fabric. So this next fabric again is another Polycotton, but this is a very different print, but I just love this design, so I had to share both with you today. So this one is an animal print design, and it's really bright, really vivid, absolutely gorgeous. So the next fabric, this is another viscose chalet, and this one actually does come in 3 different colourways, but this one is the brightest, and oh, I just love the colours in this design. It's called Sunflower Salutation, and this is the bright colourway we've called it. It's very aptly named, and I just think it's gorgeous. It's a very large scale floral print, but it's a very artistic take on a floral print. It's sort of between flower shapes and, as I would say, like splodges of colour, which doesn't sound maybe very specific, but it's absolutely gorgeous print. I mean, I've seen some makers actually that have shared some of the garments that they've made in this fabric. One of them was a jumpsuit, and it's just, oh, it looks amazing. I think with this fabric, with it being such a big scale print, if you made like a long robe or a maxi skirt or a maxi dress or a jumpsuit, something that's really going to show off the length of the fabric on a full length garment, it just creates an absolute showstopper of a piece. Absolutely beautiful, that one. So our second to last fabric now, we are on to, now this is a crepe textured knit fabric. So it's quite an unusual fabric, this one, but it's really lovely. Now it's a viscose blend, so as you can see, it still has that soft drape of a viscose jersey. But when you look up close, and it's almost not even in the feel of the fabric, you can feel it has this crepey sort of texture. And I think it has that crepey texture from the yarn that's been used to knit this into a fabric. So yeah, it's just a little bit different, and it almost has like a crunchy feel, yet it's still very soft. Yeah, it's probably one of those fabrics you're going to have to actually feel in the flesh to fully understand what I mean with it, but you'll just have to trust me on this one. It really is a beautiful fabric. And that design, how could I not include that in our bright, fun, colourful, joyful fabric haul? Absolutely gorgeous. Any kind of knit pattern that requires a soft drapey fabric, and this will be absolutely perfect. Tops and dresses and even jumpsuits, I think this is an absolute winner. So last of all, I wanted to end on this fabric because I think this is really, really special. It's another Minerva exclusive, and it's called Mountain Memoir. It's a new design. We've only just very, very recently launched this, and look at that. Oh, it's just happiness in a fabric, I think. The colours, this mountain scene, it's very graphic, very bold. You know, this isn't for people who are shy or afraid of colour. If you love colour and love print, I think you're going to love this one just as we do. What more can I say about that fabric? I can't wait to see what people make in this. I think that's an absolute showstopper. Wow, what a fabric. Definitely a great one to end on, I think, today. So that's all the fabrics I've got to share with you today. Let me know in the comments which was your favourite. Have you sewn in any of these fabrics before? Have I inspired you to? Let me know in the comments below which was your favourite and what would you sew in it. As always, beneath this video, we will tag everything that I've mentioned today, all these fabrics. So if you want to click on any of those links, you'll be able to see other colourways that they come in, if there's other colour options. You'll be able to find all the details on the site. And the great thing with Minerva, if there's any projects that have been shared that use these fabrics, you'll be able to see all those on the product pages. And it's just a fantastic way to get lots of ideas and inspiration from the sewing community about what you could make with these fabrics. You can actually see them on, made up into a garment on somebody. You know, you get the sense of the scale of the print, how it drapes, what sort of patterns they're great for. So that's a really good resource to use just to give you loads of ideas and inspiration on what you can make. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please give us a like and a follow, we'd really appreciate it. I really enjoyed showing those fabrics to you today. Anything with bright colours like this just brings a smile to my face. I think they're absolutely wonderful and I can't wait to see what you make in them. So thanks very much for watching and I will look forward to seeing you again next time.